Did you notice the sentiment score for health is sitting at a flat 0 right now, but with a momentum of plus 1.18? That's interesting. It suggests that while general sentiment hasn't shifted, there's a strong upward momentum in discussions. This could indicate a brewing interest, or a response to a recent health event, or announcement that's yet to influence overall sentiment. Our Health Sentiment API returns insights like this, allowing you to track sentiment shifts and momentum in real time. You can leverage this to identify emerging health trends or potential market opportunities before they become mainstream. For instance, if you're building a health-focused application, you can use this data to anticipate user engagement spikes based on the momentum, even when sentiment appears stable. Dive deeper into this data at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.